In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw on Notion. We'll use a simple free whiteboard that embeds right into your Notion page so you can sketch, annotate, and brainstorm without leaving your workspace. Start by opening your web browser and going to onlineboard.eu. This tool is completely free and runs in the browser, so there's no account to create and nothing to install. When the site loads, review any pop-ups that appear. You might see a cookie notice, a quick board style selection, or a basic permission request. Take a moment to read each message and click Accept or OK as needed. If you're given a choice of board styles, pick one that matches how you like to draw. You can typically adjust the look later in the board's own settings. Once you've accepted those confirmations, you'll be taken to a blank digital whiteboard. This is your canvas for drawings, sketches, and quick annotations. Before you start drawing, locate the Share button in the board's interface. It's usually at the top of the screen or tucked into the main toolbar. Click Share and copy the link that's generated to your clipboard. This link is what allows the whiteboard to be embedded in Notion and stay interactive there. Keep the whiteboard tab open in case you want to switch back to it. Now open Notion and navigate to the page where you want your drawing area to live. Click on an empty area of the page to create a new block. With your cursor active, paste the link you copied from onlineboard.eu. Notion will recognize the link and present options. Choose Embed. If Notion shows any additional prompts about permissions or loading external content, confirm those so the board can display safely inside your page. You should now see the online drawing board appear directly within Notion. It's fully interactive, not just a static image. Begin drawing right on the embedded board using your mouse or a touch screen. Sketch ideas, map out flows, annotate meeting notes, or jot quick diagrams as you work. If you make a mistake, use the board's erase or undo tools to clean things up without starting over. From here, you can continue updating and interacting with the embedded board as part of your normal Notion notes. Changes you make inside Notion are reflected on the same online board linked by the URL, so everything stays in sync whenever you return. And that's it. You've added drawing functionality to Notion with a quick, effective workaround. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Notion tips and tutorials.